Hey friends, welcome back to another video. I greet you from a very cold Cape Town. My hands are so cold, I can't even type as fast as I want to. It's in the smack in the middle of winter and it's freezing cold over here. Today I'm going to speak to you about one of the V3 tools. Lucille, what is V3? It's this third batch of tools inside our AI Prompt Heaven community. So if you are a paying member, then the tool that I'm going to speak to you about today is included in your monthly membership, and it is called the Ask Lucille bot. Right now, if you are not a paying member, you can also grab it as a standalone paid product. So what do you mean by that, Lucille? So if you are in our community as a free member and you only want the Ask Lucille bot, then you can scroll down, pay the unlock fee of $29, and you will then have access like all the other paying members, but only this particular one. So I'll drop the links for you to sign up either via PayPal or via direct debit. This is the information page. It will just tell you what the tool is all about, and it's like your own little mini Lucille on the side where you ask me questions or the bot questions, and everything that I know has gone into it. So think of things like Etsy guidance, digital product ideas, AI prompt help, recommendations, action plans, community guidance, etc. So who is it for? It's really for beginners, right? So we all were beginners once upon a time. If you're just getting started, perfect. If you are growing your Etsy store and you've listed but your traffic is slow, let the bot assist you with that. If you are a Canva or an AI creator, you're like in the right place, right? So you'll see once you click on join, it will take you to this section. You can either pay via the direct debit, which is this one, or you can pay via PayPal, which is this one. I need to just it's not Paylib, it's PayPal. I'll update that label. Anyway, once you are there, okay, then just fill in your information, click PayPal, and then off you go. You'll get an email to ask you to verify. Once you're verified, then you will be taken to a check-in page, which not a check-in, a sign-in page. Basically looks like this. You need to create an account. So even though you are sitting in school or the school platform, you still need to create one, right? So create your account and then fill in your information and then just sign in. Okay, so all your chats will be saved here on the side. You can start a new chat by clicking on new chat, or you can just start here. This is for admin, and get started, right? So if you want to start a new chat, you just click on start new chat and you can then have a conversation as you would with ChatGPT. I think it's such a cool tool. It's built for digital product sellers like me, like you, and it's basically everything that I know and that I've learned over the last couple of years, curated for new people or people that you are selling, but you still just need that extra help. Okay, and it's only version 1 now, which means as the tool evolves, as members give me feedback, what they would like to see, etc., I would then update the tool so that it becomes more valuable to our community. Okay, so not a long video, just to show you this is what it is. You can just ask a conversation with like, hi, I want to start selling clip. Can you explain to me how to start as a new person who do not know anything about Clipart, right? So let's say that is your query or your request for the bot. Okay, so it will say understanding Clipart basics. Clipart is simple, often digital illustrations that people use for various projects like invitation cards, websites, or educational material. So it sort of explains to you that what it is. Choose your niche, think about what themes or styles you love. It could be anything from whimsical animals to holiday decorations, and it will just give you a breakdown. But it's thinking like a digital product seller, an expert digital product seller. It's not like a ChatGPT with all the knowledge in the world. It's curated for digital product sellers. So helpful tools. The character prompt wizard, what is that? It's actually one of the tools that our valuable monthly subscribers have. So there's a tool where you can actually build characters, and I'm going to make a video on that not too distant future. So it's just telling you that. So you can basically go back and say, what is this tool? This tool helps you create consistent reusable characters. So if you're very new to me, you might not know what that is. And then you can say, can you tell me more about this tool? Okay, study the market, browse Etsy. I always say this, so you will hear, the bot will speak to you like you hear me speak on YouTube, right? So it will tell you, study what's on Etsy, right? Take notes on styles, pricing, and presentation. So there won't be a disconnect. Everything that I speak about pretty much be part of this tool. Set up your store, create an Etsy account, promote your work on social media. These are the things that I'm doing. So I'm not going to tell you something that I haven't done myself. Feedback, don't hesitate to get opinions from friends. Absolutely ask, and ask people that's not in the business, because they are the best to give you. They will say, they shouldn't be confused. Someone that's not selling clip art should not be confused. Your mock-ups and your description and your SEO must be so good that it's simplified for the non clip art person, right? So that's what you get. And then absolutely, now that it's answering, the character prompt wizard is a super handy tool designed especially for clip art creators like you. Here's what it's all about. Okay, and then it will tell you here, a tool that helps you create consistent reusable characters. It explains it, and then it will say, yeah, ideal for perfect new to character designs. Pricing, it's available for 15 a month, which is pretty reasonable for a tool. Now if you see this, then when you see it's a month, it does not mean this tool on its own, character prompt wizard, is $15 a month. So it basically means that AI prompt heaven is $15 a month, but not this tool on its own. Okay, so if you look on the left hand side, you will see members tool stack 1, 2, 1, 2, all right. So if you go to, this tool is sitting in volume 2 over here. If you go to volume 2, then you will see, here's your character prompt wizard. It's not $15 on its own. Go back to the bot here. It's available for $15 a month, which is pretty reasonable for this tool. How to get started? Head over to Clip Artist Raven to check it out and see if it's right for you. Using this tool could easily set you up for success in your clip art journey. I just want to see something. Can you provide me with a link, right? And then if you click on it here, the tool will open, and it's something that I have used a lot in the past. And especially if you're creating sort of characters for books, it's a nice tool to use. Now I'm not going to demonstrate it here, but I will make a video. But it's just a cool way of creating characters, which ultimately gives you prompts at the bottom, and then you can create a storyline with a character with the same elements, the same necklace, the same coffee held in the hand, the same hair color, the same, because the tool just creates the consistency where we sometimes lack when we try and do this on our own. Okay, so I just wanted to clear that up. Let's go back. Okay, so I will update the tool just to help you with links. If you refresh that conversation, you will see, can you see? So just refresh it for now. You will see, without me asking for the link, okay, you will see that it will give you the link. If you click on it, then it will take you to AI prompt heaven, and then here, purchase if you so wish. This needs an upgrade, so I'm gonna have to look better. There's your $15 checkout, and then you'll get access to the vault, which is then volume 2, and it's listed over here. Okay, so that is the bot, AI's Ask Lucille bot. Again, I just wanted to share with you that I refreshed before asking this. So whenever it suggests a tool here, then just refresh, because more than likely it is already giving you the link. I just don't know, and it's something I need to figure out. My non-coder brain, I have to figure out and get a solution. So that's the tool. I hope you guys find it helpful. I've gotten some good feedback. I hope you guys find a case study for it to use in your business. It does not only recommend my products, it recommends anything that I've used and currently using, and all tools that I've used since I started that has reaped me benefits and rewards. So if you are still here watching up until this point, I just want to say thank you for watching my content. I appreciate all of you. And if there's anything else I can help you with, let me know in the comment section. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for